Just want to take some time out to thank everybody for 2019, my family, my extended YouTube family, all the subscribers, all the viewers. Have a safe and happy 2020. Enjoy yourselves and enjoy the last video of the year, and we'll see you again next year. Thanks a lot.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. A cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne.
Get your lighter ready. I mean,
Okay, hang on. Let's try this again.
It's recording, it says.